Here's a great deal on a 2006 Honda CR-V. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Honda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, front and rear cup holders, heated seats, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Come down to our dealership where you can browse our entire inventory in person.